Papa, come here. Shut up, I ain't talking to you. Homie, go get her. Go get her, homie.
Homie, eat bologna.
Get your ass off the table. Hey, my baby. Hi, baby boy. Look at my baby. He's so cute. My other dog ran away, you see. No dog at the house. Homie, bite her. Get her, boy. Quit running. He's a little dog. Get out here. Oh, he's going to stay in the air conditioning. Get out here. His bites do not hurt. He's little as hell. Get her, homie. Homie, quit jumping on me. Okay, you wet. Sit. 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 Lay down. Lay. 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 Good boy, Pa. Good boy. You're so cute. My niece, hair look nappy as hell. Can't nobody see you doing that. Girl, you better quit. The hell you gonna do? Like you somebody. Oh, he's like fighting. What? I ain't even hit you that hard. You need to chill. Y'all see my yard? It's big as hell. What's wrong? You're so cute. I love you. Alright, I'm done.